We're a contract manufacturer that's vertically integrated. We produce plastics and electronics devices. We make all of our own tooling, all of our own plastic molded parts, electronic assembly, mainly in medical devices and industrial controls. Eastek's located in southern China. We have a campus, 450,000 square feet, 1,200 employees. We're in Milwaukee, Wisconsin with a 50,000 square foot operation with 50 employees, and also an operation in Chicago, which is our headquarters and cross-docking warehouse. So overall, about 1,400 employees. About 5 years ago, I think the U.S. economy hit a point where the spectrum or pendulum went the furthest of make everything in China, and now it's starting to come back, especially small volume production, which is one of the reasons why we bought the business in Milwaukee, was so that we could be present in the North American marketplace, and I see that continuing. You'll see Eastek adding molding and other forms of assembly in the U.S. in the years to come. Typically, Eastek helps its customer by providing manufacturing so they don't need to invest in manufacturing. That manufacturing could be in the United States or it could be in China, whatever makes sense for the customer. It helps them be global because our supply chain is global. We'll buy the resin in Germany, the printed circuit board, assembly in China, the IC in California, deliver all those goods to the right location, and then put the product together. Then in turn we'll distribute that product, if our customer wants us to Japan, to our warehouse in Amsterdam, to our location in Chicago, to whatever the end customer is for our customer. We took a business that was ready to grow in 2004 and have matured it into a global company. We view each hire as knowing that we'd like the employee to stay for a long time, but that when they do leave, that they're a better global citizen. So paying attention to integrity and ethics and humility is a very important part of our hiring process. It doesn't matter whether you were born in China or born in Africa or wherever you might have been born. As you become a part of our team, those are really important to our culture. Yeah, my leadership style, and I say I'm the chief bottle washer for two reasons. One is that I'm not at the top of the company, I'm at the bottom. My job is to serve the organization that we have so that people can do the best job that they have. So saying I'm the bottle washer is a way of saying I'm not that important. I'm just a part of the team. I am very hands-on. I like data. I want to know how a product's made, how are we going to do this, who's worrying about what, and I think that also is important. We're making a whole range of devices, over 1,500 in the course of a year, with lots and lots of details. And how do we make sure that what we're doing is right for that customer? So it's not just me that needs to know those details, but that I'm providing by example what I'm expecting other people to do. The medical devices that we focused on brings the most excitement to me. One, it's a difficult industry to be in with a high level of regulation and traceability and control requirements. One of the most exciting products this year will be launching the first 1,000 fetal heart monitors that will go to third world countries to protect the unborn child and the mother in the third trimester. It just gives me goosebumps to even talk about it, that we could be a part of that process. We've already made the prototypes, and those will go into full production shortly.